This is one of a series of short videos on Drumbridges roundabout. This one shows the road ahead from Newton Abbot to Heathfield, which is the third exit. Bovey Tracey and Heathfield are the same exit, so it's important to position correctly. The sign on the left tells you Heathfield is the third exit. It's not written on the sign, but the road markings tell you to use the right-hand lane for Heathfield. Just having to stop at the lights for a moment. It's quite common on this roundabout to have to stop at least once, so always pay attention to the traffic lights as you come around. There's a yellow box ahead which needs to be kept clear. As we come round the roundabout, you'll see it written on the floor, Heathfield right-hand lane. So we're just about to approach the second exit. Again, we're having to stop at the lights. You can see there's no yellow box ahead of us. As we come round, we're going to continue in the right-hand lane. We must not cross the white line on our left. As we exit the roundabout, we will exit into the right-hand lane. So check particularly on your left here as you come around. Exiting in the right-hand lane is necessary to turn right for Heathfield at the traffic lights just ahead. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos?